If you like craft beer, great food, and exceptional times with good friends, then you'll love Brew's Ale House Brewing Company.
What could be better for kids than learning about the arts and other subjects that interest them while they have fun at the same time? It's not only possible at the Buell Children's Museum, it's our specialty. The Buell Children's Museum has been voted the best museum in Pueblo for several years in a row.
You don't need a gold card to dine at the Gold Dust Saloon.
From the largest freshly prepared oversized hamburgers served with a stack of fries or a mug of homemade soup, or one of our famous sloppers, the Thunder Humper. Oh, to a wide variety of specialty sandwiches like a rifleman with Italian sausage.
In the early days, Pueblo was built on trust and a commitment to integrity. Today, that same belief and confidence is instilled in the Banner & Bauer law firm. With over 50 years of experience serving the Colorado regional area and surrounding communities.
Whether you quilt, sew, knit, or crochet, Stitcher's Garden is southeastern Colorado's largest supplier of all of your stitching needs. From modern, traditional, and paper-pieced quilt patterns to small projects, including stylish aprons, table runners, or pillowcases.
The Daily Grind Cafe has been serving Pueblo for over 14 years. Whether it's a fresh brewed cup of joe, a decadent fruit smoothie, or mocha chip frappe, we've got something for everyone. Pick from our great wall of over 70 loose-leaf teas, with a full menu served all day and into the night. That includes traditional deli, vegetarian, and vegan options. You can't go wrong. Have fun meeting new friends while dancing the night away and enjoying your favorite cocktails at Pueblo's favorite tavern weekend hotspot on B Street. For over 80 years, the favorite tavern, right in the heart of the Union Depot, has been a local, safe, and preferred nightclub bar for locals and newbies alike.
Taste what everybody is raving about at Mr. Tandoori's Urban Bar and Grill. Mr. Tandoori's was designed for comfort, relaxation, and the enjoyment of great Indian food, drinks, and conversation within a modern Indian theme with a respect to cultural traditions and motifs.
It's not just pizza, it's Angelo's Pizza Parlor and Amore, Colorado's famous pizza, and so much more. Tasty appetizers, great soups and fresh salads, delicious sandwiches, specialty baked Italian dishes, thin crust, or one of our legendary specialties, right out of the oven gourmet pizzas, prepared one pie at a time.
Leaking roofs are always a nuisance, whether in your home or a commercial building. Since 1971, Calvin Turner Roofing has been Colorado's leader. From residential, commercial building re-roofs, institutional roofing, or apartment complex roofing, they deliver the highest quality workmanship and stand behind each job. Rocky Mountain Eye Center is southeastern Colorado's only custom view LASIK surgery center, providing patients with the most precise level of vision measurement and correction. Schedule your next appointment at any one of Rocky Mountain Eye Center's 8 locations today.
We all want Pueblo to be our city, where our streets are safe enough to play in and our neighborhoods are again the root of our civic pride. A city where our children are well prepared for the dynamic future that awaits them, and a city where prosperity is not the privilege of a few, but instead shared by all of us, where everyone has an opportunity and strengthens the bonds that bring us together as a community. Randy Thurston, as your new mayor, will put you, the people, first and create new and uncompromised opportunities for all.
So there's a whole different dynamic with leadership than there is with politics. And we've given our best with politics and it just doesn't work anymore. I would love Pueblo's future to be built 100% off the principles of leadership from this point forward, and we will reach our potential. We will be able to keep our kids and grandkids here. We will be able to be an attractive community that people want to come to.
Vote Randy Thurston for mayor of Pueblo. He's listening. Are you?